Hi guys, today we're going to talk about pets in different places. So I want you to open your books, your pupils' books on pages 68 and 69. Before we start, let's take a look at the pictures. We have a number of animals here that people keep as pets. Let's see if we remember the words for all these animals. So this is of course, this is a cat. Okay. What is this? Yeah, it's a parrot. Actually, this type of parrot is called a parakeet. What about this one? It's a fish. Yeah, actually, it's a goldfish. That's a bird. This is called a canary. What about this one? This is a bunny rabbit. What about this? This is a spider. Actually, this is a tarantula. What about this one? Yes, it's a lizard. This specific lizard is called a gecko. And here we have another two animals that we don't have in these pictures. So what is this? Right, it's a snake. And this is a hamster. All right. Well, before we listen and read the text, I want you to think why people keep animals as pets. In your notebook, I would like to make a list of reasons why, in your opinion, people keep animals as pets. Okay, so pause it for a couple of seconds, write down, and we'll be back. Now, let's take a look at the content words that we have here. Most of the words all of the words refer to pets, to animals. We have seen most of them. There are some we haven't seen yet. This is the word alligator. Do you know what an alligator is? It's a type of a crocodile. Also, we talked about the gecko. This is the one here. We talked about parakeets. We didn't talk about rodents. We didn't see the word rodents. Rodents are animals like the bunny rabbit, like the hamster here, the mouse, the rat. All these are rodents. And finally, we have the word tarantula. This is, we said, a tarantula. It's a type of spider. Now, in your notebook, again, I want you to make 3 columns. One column about popular pets, the other one unusual pets, and the third one dangerous pets. While reading and listening, you will have to write down any words of animals that you hear that refer to popular pets. That is, popular means animals that everyone likes or most people like. Unusual pets, not common, strange, and dangerous pets. All right. So I will pause, or you must pause, write down, and we will start with the listening part right away. Are you ready for listening? Don't forget, while listening and while reading at the same time, to write down the popular, unusual, and dangerous pets that you come across. Ready? Here it goes.
Many people around the world keep pets. Pets are good company, but they also help us in other ways. We get exercise when we take our dogs for a walk. They also keep us safe. Cats keep mice and big insects away from our homes. Our pets help us relax, and we love playing with them or just watching them. There are lots of different pets around the world. Every country has its favorites, but cats, dogs, birds, fish, and small rodents are popular almost everywhere. In the United States, there are about 93 million pet cats. Cats are very popular in China too. The Chinese believe that they bring good luck to a home. Birds and goldfish are also popular. In fact, they're the top 2 favorite pets in China. Birds such as the colorful parakeet are popular in Mexico. Parakeets like playing with people, and they can talk. In Italy, lots of people keep canaries. Canaries can sing all day. One of Japan's popular pets is the bunny rabbit. There are even bunny cafes where you can have a coffee and spend time with these furry animals or buy one. Some people choose unusual or exotic pets. Chilean rose-haired tarantulas are quiet and easy to keep, but they aren't very cuddly. They don't usually bite, but if they do, it can be painful. There are millions of reptile pet owners around the world. Reptiles such as iguanas or geckos aren't dangerous, but snakes or alligators can be very dangerous, so pet owners need to be extra careful. There's a type of pet for everyone. People all over the world choose different pets for different reasons. One thing is important though. Our pets are our friends, and they need our love and care.
Okay, let's now see what animals you heard. So, popular pets are cats, dogs, birds, parakeets, and canaries are the ones that you heard, fish, and small rodents. Unusual pets are tarantulas and reptiles. Reptiles are all these animals that walk, that crawl actually, that is, walk with the body close to the earth or touching the earth, okay? Iguanas and geckos are such animals, as well as snakes and alligators. Now, of these animals, the dangerous ones are snakes and alligators. Let's now analyze the first paragraph. Many people around the world keep pets. Many of you keep pets. You have them at home, okay? And there are many reasons why we do that. First of all, pets are good company. This is the most important reason. That is that When we have pets, we don't feel lonely. But they help us in other ways too. For example, we get exercise when we take our dogs for a walk. Many of you walk their dogs in the morning, in the afternoon, at night, before you go to bed, I mean. Uh, by doing this, you get exercise, and this way you keep fit. Also, they keep us safe. The ones of you who have got dogs know that. But other animals can keep us safe too from other dangers. For example, cats keep mice, mice, and big insects away from our homes. Do you know what insects are? Yeah, these very small creatures with 6 legs. Many of them have also wings, right? For example, mosquitoes or flies. All these are insects. So cats keep them away from our homes. Also, pets help us relax. Many times when we are tired or when we feel sad, if we touch them or stroke them, pass our hands over their fur, we feel relaxed, we calm down. And of course, we love playing with them. Those of you who have pets know that very well. Uh, but there are some pets which we can't play with, just like fish. Don't try this at home. So, let's revise the reasons why animals, pets are good for us. First of all, they are good company. Second, we get exercise. They keep us safe. They help us keep mice and big insects away from our homes. We can relax or play with them, or we can just watch them. How many of these ideas did you find yourselves? All right. Now we are going to continue with the second paragraph.